How to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application yet, you can simply install it from Google Play Store. Once you have it, open up the application. Now once you land on this interface, tap on New Project. Here you have to select one of your video and then tap on Add. Now once you land on this edit page, first of all you have to customize or edit the ratio size of this video. So for that, tap on this aspect ratio from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface. Then you get different type of ratios such as TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or YouTube Reels, or other ratios from there. So if you go and simply select the first one, that is TikTok, you will have this. Now you can resize your videos using both of your finger. So simply tap with your finger and then you can resize with the help of your finger. Once you have that, now again tap on your video and you can move the position of your video. Now once you have placed this video at the position that you want, then tap on tick mark from the bottom right corner. Now once you have one of your video and you would like to add the another video, there is an overlay option at the same menu bar at the bottom of this interface. So tap on overlay, then tap on add overlay. Now select another video that you would like to add, then tap on add. So once you have the another video, you can do same by tapping and dragging it wherever you like in the screen. You can resize your video frame as well and then simply drag and place it in the position that you would like. And there you go. We have two videos in one frame in CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.